Hi everyone! It's your girl Sweet. So, timing na spring na ngayon dito sa Canada. And in this video, ito-tour ko kayo. Actually, no, hindi ako. Mag-guide tayo ngayon ng ating cameraman slash videographer slash tour guide. O, diba? 3-in-1. Okay, since nandito siya nag-aaral, so let's follow the leader. So again guys, sa mga nagtatanong bakit ako nakapunta dito sa Canada, so my boyfriend is studying here in Canada. So as you can see, he's currently studying here at University of Toronto as a law with Masters of Politics. So on our first tour, let's go inside here in, ano to?
Mong School of Global Affairs and Public Policy.
Yes, Jan, let's go! Saan ang daan?
Diretso lang.
Welcome aboard! Okay, so nandito na tayo sa loob. Now let's go inside. Anong school ko siya?
Mong School of Global Affairs and Public Policy.
Like, about what?
It's about global affairs and public policy. Kaya yun ang pangalan ng school. So lahat, from anthropology to pol sci to international, everything. History.
Actually, dito nga pala yung bahay ko.
About naman. Ngayon, puro kasi. Bakit kasi ganyan? Isang pintuan lang.
Diyan ka lang. Ano dito? Nandito pala ako. Gentle naman. Parang ano, nasa museum. Huh? Parang hindi naman to paaralan. Parang church. Baka simbahan to. Nagkamalita lang.
Hindi yan.
Ito guys, meron silang washing machine. Para kung kunwari, ang estudyante na nag-aaral, gusto nila laban yung damit nila, pwede sila mag-washing dito. Ay, garbage pala. Garbage waste pala.
Ang classroom na...
Social ng garbage nila, parang washing machine. Oh my God!
Ang classroom namin
Kasi naglasok dito.
nasa dulo.
Nasa dulo ko.
Pero sarado.
Church naman siguro.
Ito yun, transit house. Kita mo yung transit house nakalagay.
Saan mo ba kami dinala? Ano naman to? Para naman to bodega?
Dito kasi ang daan papunta sa classroom namin.
Grabe na
Kaya kita mo yung bahay na yan. Yan ang buong classroom namin. Ano ba yun? Wala kang lakas. Yan ang classroom namin. Pero hindi pwede pumasok dyan. Nakalak yan. Sa loob yan.
Grabe, parang church. No?
Parang mini house.
Bakit dito ang room?
Ewan. Special. Ang subject namin dyan is about mga contemporary issues sa Southeast Asia at saka East Asia.
Okay. I-test natin kung nakikinig ka ba sa school niyo.
Hoy.
Ano ba ang issue ng mga Asian?
Marami. Kung sa East Asia, it's about yung mga...
Huwag na nga. Paano na yung vlog?
Saan ka mapupunta? Wala na dyan.
Nagkamali tayo. Yata tayo ng kinuhang tour guide, guys.
Wala na dyan. That's my first classroom. So marami pa akong classroom. Yung dalawa, yun at saka yan.
So yun lang guys, pinakita lang niya tayo sa room nila na parang bahay, na parang church. Na cute! Oh, saan na tayo lalabas? Dito?
Oo. So, punta tayo sa
Diba,
next
alam ko
class.
to?
Punta tayo sa next classroom.
Alam ko, no? Ay, dito tayo kanina.
Diyan, umikot na.
Pinahirapan
Pwede na
ako.
tayo. Pwede na mag-shortcut.
Gigil ako.
At nakita mo yung museum sa loob.
Dito tayo kanina, guys. Dito. Pwede na pa. Daanan dito. Oh, yan yung classroom namin. Pumasok pa tayo sa loob na parang ano, bodega.
Wala, parang the habit. Classroom.
Nahirapan ako ng videographer natin. Dito lang, guys. I'm surprised. Okay, saan tayo next?
Sa next classroom naman.
Papadaan mo na naman ako sa ilalim ng tray.
Hindi.
And now, nandito tayo sa...
Mong School of Global Affairs and Public
Same lang
Policy.
to kanina.
Yeah, pero dito yung main building.
Wow. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it fantastic? Isn't it?
So yeah, so dito siya. Ayan, meron dyan kasi sa gitna,
So
meron
here,
dyan.
as you can see, these are beautiful. So, ganito yung setup. Kunwari, matalino ako na student. Tapos, nagbabasa ng libro.
Nag-aaral ko, nyari.
Tapos, ikaw sabi mo, hi, can I
Is
sit
vacant?
vacant? Tapos, ganon. Sige na, go!
Hi there.
Ginagawa mo. Basta
Hi.
mga smart person, busy yan sila. Hindi nakikinig sa hi there.
Hi, how are you? Is this seat taken? Excuse me.
Ah, yes. Yeah.
Is this seat taken?
I think the ghost is sitting in there.
Okay, I'm not gonna disturb it now.
But, you can sit in there.
Oh, that's far.
Yeah. No, it's not that far. You can go there, just walk. And then you'll find it. Oh, it's a swimming pool. Swim.
Yeah, it's a spring.
Basta, may ano dyan, wag na tayo. Mga room ba to?
May room at saka faculty offices.
Oh,
May dorm din.
I see.
Mix siya.
I see the monster. Wow!
So next na tayo.
Next.
Here's my next classroom inside this building. So dorm siya at saka classrooms, tsaka offices.
Oh, it's so pretty. Is your room here?
Yeah, papasok tayo.
Okay. Okay guys, let us go inside.
Huh? Let us go.
Huh?
Let us go inside.
Mali ba ang let us go?
Hindi naman, kung may sarili kang vocab. Yeah, so yun yung entrance natin. Pink trees.
Yes, there is Sakura Matata. Ay, ako na matata pala yun.
Ako na.
Let's go inside. Okay, you show us what's inside.
Okay.
Okay, you tell us what's your subject and
Sinabi
what
ko
did
na
you
eh.
learn? Para malaman natin kung nakikinig ka ba sa klase ninyo. Oh my God, it's so pretty in here.
It is.
Anong maganda? Ito ako.
Ikaw.
Wala na. Ang tagal sumagot. Tagal sumagot. Pastok yan, pastok. Ay, pastok.
Pastok? Pastok? Ano ba?
Pastok sa akin.
Pastok. Sige, hilahin mo po.
Ooh.
Walang lakas. Oo.
So, dyan tayo galing and dito naman daw tayo. Nandito naman tayo sa, ano to?
University College. Tapos Heart House ang tower.
Parang sa Europe, no? Tingnan niyo, oh, may orasan sa taas. Nakikita niyo yan. Dahil oras na para mahalin mo. So here, ang tower na to is tinatawag na Soldiers Tower. So, explain.
Soldier Tower, so it's like to commemorate World War II soldiers.
Ah, okay. That was hard.
See, these are the names. Yeah,
In great letter na.
names of the soldiers.
Hanapin ko baka nandito pangalan.
Where?
Ginagawa? Hindi natin alam. Soldier pala ako nung unang-unang.
World War II.
Sweetie, hooray! You're so cute. School din yan.
University College.
Ang daming nag-shoot dito ng mga movie, no? Sa University of Toronto. Mga Hollywood movies.
Yeah.
Kaya pala familiar yung lugar. So next, saan na naman tayo?
Subukan natin pumasok sa University College.
Okay. Alam mo, saan ako excited?
Saan?
Sa cafeteria?
This is Gerstein Science Information Center, so it's a laboratory center. So
Okay. Sir. So dito ang center sa mga laboratory.
kinda.
Sir.
Mhm.
So, what is science?
What is-
Sir. What is biology?
Oh, ang daming tanong ah.
Okay, so next building na naman tayo. Kasama din to.
Part. Yeah. It is part.
Good.
Good. This is the.
So, di ba lab yun?
Yep.
So this one is
Faculty of Medicine.
Faculty for
Medicine.
Oh my gosh, ang laki. And also guys, so trivia, ang UFT, University of Toronto, ang nakadiscover sa insulin. So insulin yung gamot for diabetes. Guys, oh my gosh, ang laki. Amazing. Parang gusto ko na lang maging medicine. Yung gamot talaga, hindi yung nag-aaral. So, I changed my mind na. Parang feeling ko, gusto ko na lang mag-aral ulit.
So
May
means,
medicine dito.
you want to be
Yung
student?
para naman may bulak-bul sila na estudyante.
No.
Guys, ang haba ng lalakari. Tayong nakitang building. Ano ba ito?
Convocation hall. So
Short
if
for,
you-
short for vacation.
Yeah, kinda. Kasi graduate ka na. Yeah, so if you're graduating, so dyan ka rarampa. Magmamarch sa loob.
Ay, so ayan guys. Ito talaga yung pinaka-front. Kaso, hindi natin makikita dahil, ayun nga, may mga nag-protest. Kaya din sirado yung mga room for security purposes.
Oh, where are you sitting?
Naku, marakpak ha.
Yep.
Kamali yata ako ng decision. Ang cafeteria, sirado.
We can check.
Lalo na nang nilakad natin. Sana next.
Let's go to the arts and sciences.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the engineering department.
Engineer ka na ako. Ginagawa mo.
What are you doing?
Close ko sana kasi automatic ka. Ay, mag-engineering na lang ako. Engineering ng buhay mo.
College.
Emergency. Emergency.
Ngayon, parang tanga.
Uy, uso kaya yun? Emergency. Ganun.
Okay.
Saan tayo next?
Let's just walk.
Doon?
Yeah.
Layo pa no.
This is the Knox College, so
College. Pag walang tao, mag-knock-knock lang.
yeah, so this is a theological building. Theological building.
Mali ako, hindi pala knock-knock.
No.
Knock-knock, hostel. Yung ganun ba? Knox College. Knox-knox?
Oh my God!
Yeah. School of Graduate Studies. So, ibig sabihin, kahit graduate na, bumabalik na naman ang pag-aaral.
Nga naman.
Ha? Bakit? Ikaw, you explain.
They take masters, they take doctorate or postgrad, other things.
Kaya, tinatawag ng School of Graduate Studies.
Yeah.
So, nandito tayo sa...
Arts and Sciences
So,
building.
nandito yung program mo.
Ang politics nandito.
Yeah, may ano... Ay, kumang po. Let's see. Kain na tayo.
Oh, ng batang ko. Foyer.
What's that?
A lobby.
Okay. Oh. So, in this building, ito yung nandyan. So, yeah. One of their classroom. Okay, so ito yung classrooms nila. So, dito sa Art and Sciences program. Ito yung mga classmates ko. Ang taga. Early bird. So guys, nakalabas na tayo doon sa building ng Arts and Sciences program. Nandito tayo sa labas and as you can see, ang daming food. There was more food in this area.
There was.
Huh?
There are.
There was...
There are. There are food trucks. Robert's Library.
Wala yung crib so
Wala na.
ng building na yan.
Robert's Library.
So gumagawa sila ng robot? Ha?
Robarts.
Okay. Okay na, pasok tayo sa robot library.
Robarts?
Ay, gusto ko robot. Madali.
Magkatunog.
Magkatunog lang yun.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're inside.
Yeah, but you need an ID.
Hindi ka nagdala ng ID?
I do have, but you don't.
No, wala naman ako. Hi guys, so ayan. Pumasok siya doon sa library and pina-video ko na lang kung ano yung view sa loob ng Robarts Library. So, try natin magpaka-wrong grammar and maging makulit na jowa. Kulit. Tingnan natin kung ano yung reaction pa niya. Basta magiging OA tayo ngayong araw. Magiging overacting. Yes. Tapos mag-English tayo pa ng more. Pero wrong grammar naman. And pronunciation na sobrang over na over. Tagal naman yan. Naiinip na ako. What took you so long?
I have to roam around.
To make me feel how lucky I am that I am real. So where are we going now?
Fisher Library.
Oh, is that a library for the fish?
Nope.
Even if that,
Definitely not.
if that's
Oh, ito yung mga cherry blossom. Unfortunately,
Green na siya.
nothing anymore. Hinahanap ko ang isda. Walang mga isda.
So funny.
Okay, so galing na tayo doon sa Fisher Library. Pero wala akong nakitang isda. Ay, ganun pala, no? Amazing. So, naghihintay lang ako sa kanya ngayon. Bumili pa siya ng putin. Yay! It's here! The putin. The famous putin. Ito yung number 1 na pinakasikat na food dito sa Canada, no?
Yep. That's right.
Yeah.
That's those days.
Okay, so let's try the famous putin. And these are my first time trying this one.
This is your first time.
Ay, this is my first time. Cut na lang.
Otro.
Huh?
Otro ka na.
So, this is my first time trying this poutine. Is it poutine?
Putin.
Poutine. Okay. Hindi siya poutine? This is delicious. This is the most delicious food I ever.
Wow. So good.
More delicious or most delicious?
One of the most.
One of the most. And one of the most delicious. Oh, and it's cheesy. Ang ganda ng lugar, no? Ang ganda ng school, napakapayapa. Oh, ang quiet. Nandito kami nakaupo sa labas ng robot library. Okay, we're done eating. So, where was we going next? Okay. Gracias. Dito siya nagtatrabaho dati. So, he works as a... What are you working?
As a student leader.
As a student leader. So, yan. So, University of Toronto is Canada's #1 university, and according to EduRank, University of Toronto ranked as #5 best university for law and political science in the world. Aray! So, here upstairs, nandito na naman tayo sa School of Law. Ano, lagi ka mag-react pag mali ko.
Sakto man.
Ang kulo.
Law. School of Law.
Okay.
Getting tired?
Tired. So, anong meron sa building na to?
So this is the Faculty of Law. So obviously all law professors are in this department, this building. And sometimes you also have your classes here as well.
I wanna talk to your professor.
And why?
I wanna ask him if you study well. I wanna, you know, as a girlfriend, just making sure if you're not bulakbol. Nandito tayo sa mga law school nila. Feeling ko ang talino-talino ko ngayon. I-adapt ko muna yung energy. I-feel ko muna. Okay, so law is a combination of a power, state, and government. Ano, nakakatalino talaga. No? Amazing! Isn't it? Okay, so how about you, classmate? What is law?
Law.
Law. Law.
Yeah.
Law. Sakit sa dila. Law. Matalino ako ngayon. Huwag mo akong i-correction.
What? Well, there's a different definition of law. It can be a set of ordinance, that can be a guideline.
No, you're wrong. You're wrong.
What is it?
I told you, it's a combination of guidelines, ordinance.
You're
Yeah.
just using.
No, you're
words.
cheating me. I already told that earlier, and you're listening to me, so you copy mine. You shouldn't do that. As a student, I told you, you listen to me. I am super smart now. You should listen to me. Okay? Huh?
Okay.
Okay, very good. What is law?
It's a set of. What do you say?
Law, it means when you are in the lower state, and
Got
in the
it.
opposite of that one is up.
Up. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
now
so if
you
there's-
learn
so
something to me.
If there's law school, there's also up school.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Okay,
So, up
so
school's better.
somehow and somewhere, somewhat in life, we learn a lot of things up and down. So, di ba, ang dami mo na naman natutunan sa akin.
It's not UFT. That's a.
So, nandito na tayo sa exit. Ito yung gate palabas, halata naman. So, yun sa unahan yun yung school. That's all for today's video, for today's kalukuhan sa ating tour dito sa University of Toronto. Bye! Hindi pa ako nabusog, so kulang pa rin. Kaya lunch, naghanap kami ng lunch.